What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today at Holahme with me, Stacy Candy, and today we'll be making something very simple, very easy. It's egg curry mwitu, but it's something very easy to prepare. So this is peanut and coconut cream, which we'll dip our eggs into. So that's why it's called egg curry mwitu. So before we start, remember to subscribe and hit the bell button below to get the notification whenever I post my next video. And guys, we are about to reach 100 subscribers, and once we reach 100 subscribers, from my previous post there's someone who commented that they want to do a tasting of my meal. So once we hit 100 subscribers, I'll call that person to come and taste my meal. She already DM'd me as I had requested her, so I'll just tell her to come and then she'll be the first taster officially of Holahme. So welcome, karibuni, twende jikoni tupike. Begin with, we're going to first boil our egg. Next, we prep our ingredients. So for our ingredients, we have coconut cream, oregano, curry powder, cumin powder, garam masala, turmeric, our boiled eggs, some blended tomatoes. These are 3 tomatoes I used, garlic and ginger paste, some dania stems, dania leaves, and onions. Next, we begin frying our onions till they are golden brown. Add in your ginger and garlic paste and your dania stems, mix it and cover it and let it cook for about 2 minutes, and then we'll add in our tomatoes next. Add in your tomatoes, followed by your spices, which are your cumin powder, turmeric, garam masala, curry powder, your oregano. Then we add in our tomato paste, then we cover our pan and let it cook for about 3 minutes to 5 minutes until we have the thick base. We are halfway done and our meal is just coming out as we perfectly want it to be. So next we're going to add in our peanuts, and for this I'm not going to add in all the peanuts. Reason being, I'm going to blend this sauce afterwards, and since a little bit of the remaining peanuts at the end while finishing our cooking. Then add in your coconut cream and mix your meal together. Let it simmer for some time. Then we're going to transfer everything into our blender and blend it all together. Next, we're going to transfer back our blended sauce into our pan. Then remember the peanuts that we left earlier on. We're going to add them into this step for the extra guys like me who like feeling the taste of the peanuts while I eat. Then we're going to add the remainder of the coconut cream at this step, and then our forgotten eggs. We didn't forget them guys, we just set them apart for them to rest and relax as we make the other part for a few minutes. Then we're going to add in our dania leaves for garnish and serve our beautiful meal. There we have it guys, we have our meal ready to munch down into our tummies. For mine, I'm going to serve it with some rice because this is some sauce, so it's best served with rice when you sprinkle the sauce on top of the rice, and enjoy your meal. Thank you so much. Before we leave, have you subscribed? If not yet, what are you waiting for? Remember to click the subscribe button below and hit the bell button below to get my notifications whenever I post the next recipe. For now, it's goodbye for me. Kwaheri, tuonane wiki ijayo. Same place, same time. Have a beautiful week, and remember to keep it healthy on life and active hours on meals at all times.